Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. I am Urvi and I created this YouTube channel to help students during their JEE preparation. If this is what interests you, then please subscribe my channel. Today I will be discussing some tips with you that you should keep in mind in the last week of your COMEDK exam. If you are thinking, who am I to suggest you this? Then go in the about section of my YouTube channel and you will find all the information that you need. So yeah, coming to the topic of the video, I will be discussing 6 points with you that you should be working on in the last week of your exam. First point is, you should know the level of the paper. It will surely be easier than JEE mains. If you are someone who has prepared for JEE mains, but for some reason you are scoring between 90 to 93 percentile or even 94 percentile and you belong to general category, then this exam can be an alternate for you and it will be very easy for you to get into top 1000 or top 1500 in this exam because you have already prepared for JEE mains. Coming to the second point, it is for all the 3 subjects. Class 12th syllabus becomes very important. In any engineering entrance exam, majority of the questions come from class 12th syllabus. Yes, class 11th syllabus is important, but you only need to understand basic things and उसी से सारे questions हो जाते हैं class 11th के. So in these 7 days, revise your class 12th syllabus thoroughly, especially for maths, the calculus part. शॉर्ट नोट्स को रिवाइज करो, फॉर्मूला रिवीजन करो और जो क्वेश्चंस पहले सॉल्व कर रखे हैं उनका रिवीजन करो. थर्ड पॉइंट इज सॉल्व प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ बोथ JEE मेंस एंड COMEDK. अभी JEE मेंस का एग्ज़ाम तो कंप्लीट हो गया है, सो आई एक्सपेक्ट कि तुम लोगों ने JEE मेंस के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रखे होंगे. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि 100% कर रखे हो सारे क्वेश्चंस, लेकिन जितने भी किए हैं उन्हें अभी रिवाइज करो इन दी 7 days. Fourth point is, this exam does not contain negative marking. So if you do not know answer of any question, just blindly mark option B because it is the most probable option. Fifth point is, this year exam is being conducted late, so be ready for a good competition. Sixth point is, do not study anything new now. Whatever you have studied till now, just keep revising it. Keep revising your formula sheet and some questions will come in this exam which will be purely formula based and you just need to know how to apply the formula. So yeah, this is all from my side. This is what I did in the last week of COMEDK exam, and also 1 week is enough for you to revise the entire syllabus if you have already prepared for JEE mains. Yes, all the best from my side and be confident, you will just nail it.